Prepare for a journey into the intricate world of absentee property owners and tax lien holders. Mastering these areas can dramatically enhance your investment prowess. Absentee owners are as varied as the properties they own. There are those like the legacy holder, who inherited properties but are emotionally detached. The distant landlord manages rental properties from afar, and the accidental owner, who never planned on being a landlord but ended up with an extra property due to life circumstances. Meet Emily. She unexpectedly inherited her uncle's property. Initially considering renting it out, she faced challenges like legal complexities and maintenance issues. Realizing she wasn't cut out for long-distance landlording, she opted to sell, presenting a prime opportunity for an astute investor. Tax lien holders often find themselves in dire straits. Beyond financial mismanagement, there are cases like the unexpected hardship, where life's unforeseen events like medical emergencies or job losses lead to unpaid property taxes. These owners aren't just selling a property, they're seeking a lifeline. Consider Mr. and Mrs. Patel. A medical emergency led to unexpected expenses, resulting in a tax lien on their property. The stress of potential foreclosure loomed large. When approached by an investor, the solution provided not only financial relief, but also peace of mind. Such scenarios are delicate and require a compassionate approach. Mr. Thompson's tale is another fascinating angle. A successful businessman, he invested in U.S. real estate while living in Europe. Initially, things went smoothly with the help of a management company. However, over time, issues arose, from mismanagement to tenant dissatisfaction. Coupled with changing market dynamics, Mr. Thompson found managing the property from afar increasingly untenable. He decided to sell, preferring to focus on investments closer to home. This is a perfect scenario for investors looking for well-maintained properties with potential for value addition. Communicating with these sellers is about empathy and understanding. It's crucial to tailor your approach based on their unique situation. For example, offering a quick sale and handling legal complexities can be a huge relief for someone like Emily, while providing a solution that clears tax debts could be a lifesaver for the Patels. Negotiating with these sellers requires insight and creativity. It's about finding a balance between your investment goals and their needs. For absentee owners, consider lease-to-own options or seller financing. For tax lien holders, emphasize a fast and efficient sale process that resolves their immediate financial burden. Are you ready to navigate the challenges of absentee owner and tax lien properties? Subscribe, like, and share your experiences in the comments. Join our community for more in-depth insights and grow as a savvy real estate investor.